Good morning and hi! Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm super excited about our video conferencey chat call that's tomorrow. So if you guys want, it's optional. Remember, Core 1, your time is at 10 in the morning, and Core 3 for 7th grade, your time is at 2 in the afternoon. So I will have some sort of game for us to play. We can talk, we can hang out. It will not be like educational based. Like I won't be teaching you anything science related, but please keep in mind this is still like an educational group. So I do still expect your language to be school appropriate, and make sure whatever you're wearing would also be acceptable at school. Okay, so if you can just keep those things in mind, it will be awesome. We're gonna have such a great time. I will talk to you about educational stuff next. So please hold. All right, so let me show you about your assignment that's going to be for today. So the first thing you're going to see in Google Classroom is this climograph activity. Now what a climograph is, it's a graph that shows temperature and rainfall at the same time. Okay, temperature and precipitation. So when we look at this graph, you'll see that there's an axis here, like our traditional y-axis, and then there's an additional axis over here. So if you've noticed right here, it says temperature is shown by the line with diamonds and precipitation is shown by the bars. So right here for January, precipitation is between 0.5 and 1 inches. And for this January, the temperature is about 30 something degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to use different axes depending on what you are looking at. Okay. Then there's an Edpuzzle that you're going to go to. It gives you all the instructions for the Edpuzzle right here. The Edpuzzle title is Climograph Video 2, Climographs and the Major Biome Climates. That was posted by me in Edpuzzle, so I didn't post a link for it. You'll just go to it from there, and then I'll check it in Edpuzzle. Part 2, you're going to look at this climograph, and you're going to answer some questions about it. Okay. And then part 3, you're actually going to be making climographs. So this is the data that you're going to need. There's 6 different locations, and then for each month, this is the precipitation data. And then right here, this is the temperature data. Okay, so you're going to need both of these. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Google Sheet that's in Google Classroom for you. And there's an example right here. So they took the month for a location. They have the average precipitation in this first column, and then they have the average temperature in degrees Fahrenheit in this column. So that was just an example for you, and you can see what the climograph looks like. Then down here at the bottom, you're going to go to location number 1. For location, that's down at the bottom of the screen. Location number 1. Then it has the month. You're going to put in the precipitation data from the other assignment and the temperature from the other assignment. You have to take it from there and put it here. Then right here, I hope this video works. There's a video right here on how to make a climograph. If it doesn't work, let me know and I will get you something else. Then you're going to go to location 2. And so every one that you do is going to be a little more of a challenge. You're going to have to do a little bit more of it on your own until for location 6, you do everything on your own. So we're trying to kind of teach you how to do it and go through step by step. So the first one, you'll get the most help. And then as you move on, you'll get less and less help. Then what you're going to do is you're trying to figure out which graph goes to which location. So you're going to look at this. We have an escape room made for you. So in the escape room, the directions here are really important. It says use information from your assignments this week. You will not be able to move forward unless your answer is correct. So you'll put your first and last name, your core that you're in, and then where is location number 1? Is it in Greenland, Ireland, Sudan, Iowa, which is part of the United States, Indonesia, or Greece? So you're going to select where you think it is. Then when you go to hit next, if you're wrong, it will not move you forward. You have to change it to the correct answer before you can move forward. Okay. So the Google, whatever this is called, the Google form is not broken. It just won't let you advance unless you get the correct answer. It's going to keep sending you back, just like a normal escape room. Okay. So that's what you're doing for the week. The graphs, hopefully once you get some practice, it shouldn't be that challenging. We really want you to learn how to do this because in 8th grade, it's going to be so important that you know how to collect good data, turn it into a data table, and make it into a graph. So we just want to make sure we are setting you up for success. All right. Thank you.